YouTube, what's goody? It's your boy Southside Nate, and I'm back with another video. Now in this video, we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing and review. This the Pelsee 2-in-1 jump starter and air compressor. We're gonna unbox this baby and do a review, check out the features, and then we're gonna use it on one of my vehicles. Cause I got two of them out there right now that's dead. I don't know what happened with the Avalanche, and the Maxima about to be getting some work done to her. So we need to get her running. Oh yeah, and she came with a little case. I love that too. I can slap that right in the trunk. Can't beat it. Now something I always like to do, I like to take them fresh out of the box when I open it and see exactly what it can do. As long as she got at least a decent charge out the box, let's say 50% or more, we're gonna go give her a run. Oh yeah, she come with a user manual, some accessories, charger, some accessories. Yes sir. A little warranty card. These the jumper cables. We go to the air pump connector. Oh yeah, she got a little scrap to keep her in there. That's sweet though. I like that. Oh yeah. This is where you connect it for the jump start. Got 3 USB ports up here. 1 to charge the unit, 2 to charge other things, and the air compressor connector right there. Like it got a nice LED screen on it with some buttons. Hit the power button, see if she got any juice. Got a flashlight on her. She got 3 bars out of 4. And I think she'll do something. Nice and compact. I'm telling you, they come in handy because I do not believe that I have a set of jumper cables on me right now. I think I left them down at the new location. So this is definitely gonna come in handy because like I said, I got 2 cars out there right now that's completely dead. And we about to go jump start them. Let's get it. All right, YouTube, so both of these cars are dead. And this one, she been sitting, she ain't been getting no action. But that one right there, I do not know. I must have left the lights on or something, was killed the battery on that. And that's a daily driver, so we're gonna see if this baby got enough juice to jump the car and the SUV back to back. And she's 1 bar away from being fully charged. So let's go. Fresh out the box. Started the car with no problem. Fresh out the box. All right, so we're gonna disconnect it. Now, I didn't show y'all that the car would not start prior, but she did, trust me. So I will let y'all see that the truck ain't doing nothing. Which is crazy to me, like the horn don't blow, nothing. And I was just driving this truck yesterday. I left the windows down and I came out here last night, rolled them up because it was raining. And now she won't start. All right. Two cars back to back. She not even fully charged. Fresh out of the box. Now it do got the air compressor mode. Got the mode button, motorcycle, bike, ball, car. Bright LED light on it. LED light got different settings. Very cool little tool, man. I think I'm gonna keep this one. I'll probably keep this one in the heavy. Yeah. All right, so we got the air compressor connector right here. Screw that baby on. And this car been sitting for a while and I haven't checked the tire pressure. And like I said, we're about to get this baby back running and on the road. So I'm gonna go ahead and inflate all the tires to about 35 PSI. All right, so we're gonna turn it on. $36. Let's take it down to 35. Now it's on 2 bars. After starting both of them vehicles, it's on 2 bars. So the tire got 16 PSI in it right now. All right, YouTube, so in about a good 5 minutes, it took that baby from 16 PSI to 36 PSI. I meant to adjust that to 35, but I left it on 36. But yeah, about a good 5 minutes, and it's still on 2 bars. So that really didn't even affect the battery life on it. But yeah, when I tell you these things are sweet, man, and there will be a link down in the description, and I'm pretty sure I have some information on the screen if y'all want to go and check these out. Go ahead and grab yourself one, man. These things are pretty nice. All right, YouTube, that's gonna conclude this review. But like I said, there will be a link in the description, and I have some information going across the screen. If y'all want to go ahead, check out their website and maybe grab y'all one. But yeah, this is the Pelsee 2-in-1 jump starter and air compressor, the E1 version. I'm loving it. I done jumped off a sedan and an SUV, pumped up a tire, fresh out the box. 3 bars, so I can imagine what a full charge would do. So I'm gonna charge it up and slap it in one of my vehicles just to have it ready for when it's time, when I need it. But yeah, man, y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Jump off in the comments, tell me what y'all think about it. And I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. I'm out. Peace.